Hey guys, welcome to my crib. Come on in. So, this is my room. Basically, when you walk in, they're to the left. My closet, which I don't really need to show you what's in there because it's just my closet. Right here, this is where I keep my gym bag. On this wall, I have this little canvas that says, "Oh, the sweet sea." I love the beach, so I had to put that up there and it matched the vibe of my room. I have tons of blankets because you can never go wrong with blankets. Here is where all the magic happens. Just kidding. This is where I sleep. My bed's actually a day bed in the day, and then at nighttime I switch and I like lay down and sleep like this. But if you guys are wondering, it's a queen bed. It's not like a big bed or anything. It's literally a queen bed, but I make it look bigger. This comforter is from Ross, and then along with it came these pillows. I got these pillows by themselves, same with these, but then those pillows came with it. I think it's time to get a new comforter, but we'll live with this one. Oh, right here, I have this big R that I got for Christmas last year actually, but I think you can just get them at Hobby Lobby. Up here I have all of these pictures on twine with clothespins. They're just all my Polaroid photos that I had. Here, of course, I have my Rebel tiny setup on top of my dresser, which is, things are poking out. I got this dresser from IKEA. It's just the basic, like, big white dresser. Here I have another one of those things, but it says love. And I got that for Christmas as well. I got a lot of things for Christmas. Right here I have a little jewelry thing that just carries like some of my bracelets and some chokers and earrings. I have little personalized like letters that I can send to people. I got pens because everyone can never have too many pens. This big like tray thing is from Target, and then I have like lotions and perfumes and some rings and stuff. So that's super neat. It just fits really well right there. I don't know, it just looks nice. I have this thing right here, but a lot of my friends say I should get a TV and put it here, but I'm just not one to watch a lot of TV. So I have this calendar that I made. If you guys want a DIY on this thing, let me know because I actually messed it up, so it'd be fun to redo that. So let me know, and I'd probably actually use it if I didn't mess it up. Right here I have fake flowers in a vase. Right here I have this little cute stocking that I got actually from my work last year, but I just have it up because it's Christmas time. Why not be festive? Right down here I just have a thing of all my bikinis, literally full of bikinis. I have a problem. Right here is where I film all of my videos. I actually moved my chair a little bit. Usually the sun's not in my face, but this is where I film all my videos. This chair is from Target. This big black pillow is also from Target. Here I have this big mirror that I got just from my dad's garage. I have no idea where it's from. I put this tinsel on it because Christmas. Around here I just have a few like pairs of heels by my mirror just because it looks cute, and it's just so I have less clutter in my closet. Here I have this little like chair thing. Also fuzzy. I have a lot of fuzzy things, but I never really use it, so I just kind of put stuff on it. A lot of times I put my purse on it or whatever. Here I have some fake flowers, again, because aesthetic. I have this Scentsy wax burner, so I put wax in it and then it smells good. It's just an alternative for a candle. I have a candle burning right now, but I usually get the wax for Christmas. I have another R because, you know, I love myself. Just kidding. I got this again as a gift. I've gotten all these things as a gift. Right here I have a few books, Jesus Calling and a random book. I have a little fortune teller that I got in San Francisco. I have my Bible, some other little notepads, and then I have some sunglasses and random stuff right there. This is my big window. I love this thing. It brings in so much light. I haven't put any like curtains up or anything just because I just like the light. I think it's cool. It's pretty. I enjoy it, so I keep it open because it's like the best thing in my room, I think, is the big window. I have this chair that I just got from Amazon, like 50 to 60 bucks, super cute. I have like some jackets on it. It's kind of dirty, I'm sorry. This is my makeup vanity. This desk is from, it's actually a corner desk that I just got actually on Craigslist, but it's from IKEA. On these shelves I have all my hair products, and then on these shelves I have like some palettes and makeup stuff. Right here I have this mirror that I got for Christmas. I think that they're just like on Amazon as well, but it's like light up, which I love. It's super nice when it's dark out and such. I have these little things, if you haven't noticed, they're everywhere. When they have like little photos and stuff. Right here is where I keep all my brushes, container store, makeup, container store. This mirror I got just from Target. Again, those are super, you can find them anywhere pretty much. Up here I have this light that is from Firework, actually, the store in the mall. I don't know if you guys know what there is. what that is. I have more, but I just haven't found a place in here to put them up, so I haven't done that. And then right here I have this little thing that says, "A daughter is someone who reaches for your hand and forever touches your heart." My mom got that for me when I was young, I think like just turning like in my teens. Right down here is a rug. It was a blanket on my nook, and now it's like a rug. And then I used it as a blanket for a while, but now it's a rug because it looks nice. Garbage. This thing is like my little nightstand, whatever you want to call it. I got this for Christmas too, but it's from TJ Maxx. Fun fact. I was gonna return it, but I didn't end up doing it. It's really heavy because it's like marble, but I like the marble. It's nice. These are real flowers that are very, very dead. Those are just very dead. Okay. And I have another little camera right here for photos. I'm not going to show you my drawers, but basically this is other jewelry that doesn't fit nicely. This is phone stuff and like computer stuff, and down here is like snacks and stuff. And right here I just have like a fan and other stuff. So that's my room. That's my whole room.